Hello, we are excited to onboard you. All it takes is 10 minutes to complete your submission. Let's look at the checklist first. Step 1. Claim your existing listing or create a new one. Step 2. Enter basic restaurant contact or operating information and upload your menu. Step 3. Submit compliance documents. Please keep the photos, scans of the following ready. That is PAN card, GST certificate, FSI certificate or application, your personal ID, that would be PAN, driving license, passport, Aadhaar. Step 4. Sign the digital contract through a link you will get on SMS. Step 5. We will take your outlet live in about 3 days if all documents are fine. Step 6. You can share additional information for your dine-in listing if you would like at the end. Let's look at the login process first. Click on the link, which is www.zomato.com/partner with us. Now, click on login if you already have an account on Zomato. Else, create account for logging into DIY. Once you're logged in, click on Start Now button. Let's look at these steps in details now. Step 1. Claim your existing listing or create a new one. Select the location and type in name of your restaurant to check if your restaurant page exists on our platform. If you find the restaurant in search results, then click on Fetch Details. You will be directed to a different page asking you to authenticate in one of the two ways, that is OTP. The OTP will be sent to the phone number which is registered with us while making your restaurant page. Uploading restaurant documents. Here you can attach FSI, ownership documents of your restaurant. In case if you don't find your restaurant on search result, then click on Create Your Restaurant Page button, which will open Outlet Information page. On this page, you need to enter the following details of your restaurant: restaurant name, address and coordinates, contact details, establishment type, cuisine served, restaurant operational hours, update photos of your menu card, food and ambience. Please follow the below mentioned guidelines before uploading the images. Image should depict your restaurant and food. Please refrain from pasting images directly from web. Images should be of high resolution and good quality. Cropped or blur images should not be uploaded. Images with logos should be avoided. If absolutely necessary, put them on the left or right corners. Do not upload pictures of raw ingredients unless that is how you serve the food. Do not upload pictures which have your customers in them. Confirmation message of successfully submitting the restaurant page request will appear on the screen. Now, click on Register for online ordering, which will take you to the landing DIY page. Step 2. Enter basic restaurant contact, operating information and upload your menu. Click on Start Now button under Online Ordering tile. If Zomato representative has reached out to you, then select Yes and key in their email ID, else select No. Update delivery timings of your restaurant. Upload a clear picture of your menu card. Important points to note before uploading restaurant menu. Upload complete menu with prices mentioned. Please note, pricing should match prices at the restaurant or at other platforms. Item descriptions are recommended, especially for combos or platters. Please mention veg, egg, non-veg clearly, especially for cakes, etc. Update correct contact details which will be used for online ordering later. Step 3. Submit compliance documents. Please keep the photos or scans of the following ready. PAN card of the legal entity owning the restaurant. Proprietorship, partnership, owner's PAN card, company PAN card. GST, if applicable, of the legal entity. GSTIN number should be on the name of legal entity filled in the PAN card section. Please note, we check if there are any GSTINs registered for submitted PAN. Applications with false declaration will be rejected. FSSAI certificate or application. Name on FSSAI certificate or application should match either with the restaurant brand name or with the legal entity name as per the PAN card mentioned above. Address on FSSAI certificate or application should match with the address of the restaurant page listed on Zomato. In case the address on FSSAI does not match with the address of the restaurant page listed on Zomato, please send an email to restaurants@zomato.com to change the address attaching your FSSAI document before proceeding. Upload the documents when you get the confirmation email. Bank details. Enter a valid account number. Select the account type, that is savings or current. Enter the correct IFSC code. Click on Verify Bank Details. If the bank details updated are correct, we will take about 20 seconds to verify the bank details. Zomato will credit INR 1 to your account to verify the bank account. If the details aren't verified at our end, you will be asked to provide the beneficiary name, that is the account holder, and the scan of the check. Please note, the check should have the beneficiary name printed on it. Go Live Preferences. Please select the mode of operation on online ordering, which could be Android app, web dashboard or POS. Go live date. Also, if you are ready to go live immediately and all the documents are in order, then our team will approach you in 2 to 4 days to take your restaurant live. If not, then provide a preferred go live date. Step 4. Create your digital signature. Click on Send to receive link to the contract over your registered mobile number. Click on the link received on your phone from the previous step. The link will open the contract on your phone browser. Please validate all the details highlighted in the contract. Scroll down to the bottom of the contract and click on Create Signature. You will be directed to a different page asking you to select one of the government IDs, which could be PAN, passport or Aadhaar card. Enter the ID number and click on Validate. If the details mentioned are valid and verified, put your email ID and upload scan of the ID proof which is selected above. Now, draw your signature in the box below and click on Save Contact Details. The final draft of the contract will open with the digital signatures created. Tick mark the terms and conditions and go to the bottom of the page to accept or reject the contract. Once contract is accepted, you will receive a confirmation email. Post accepting the contract over your phone, you will receive a confirmation message on DIY. Step 5. Validating your documents. We will take your outlet live in about 3 days if all documents are fine. We will be validating all your details entered in your online ordering request and will timely update you on the status of your request. Updating incorrect or incomplete information will reject or deprioritize your application. The last and the final step, which is step 6. You can also share additional information for your dine-in listing. If you are a dine-in restaurant, then click on Start Now to update this section. This section includes following information that needs to be updated. That is, types of meals served, mode of payment available for dine-in customers, seating capacity for your restaurant, and availability of vehicle parking. Now, click on Submit button and you will be taken to the landing page. Thank you so much for watching this video.